involved in is reticulation. Let me get another color here. Okay, so the next one we're going to discuss is reticulation. So these are overhead lines, kiosks, mini subs, RMUs. The voltages you normally, or I normally used to see them work with is 11, 33, and 66 kV lines mostly. I know there's others involved. There was always a lot of pole mounting involved, digging in poles, mounting them with a truck driver, a lot of trenching with casuals. We'd have a lot of trenching or digging via machines and stuff like that, but also a lot of casuals would be trenching. A lot of truckers employed in the company, you know what I mean? So most of the workers felt like truckers and guys that hoist stuff instead of like hardcore electricians. And then there's a lot of digging crew that you got to always like watch, like I said. Okay, is the last one we're going to discuss is industrial, right? In industrial, you're going to be doing a lot of complex, small electronic transmitter things, right? It's very complex. You'll be doing VFDs, PLCs, networking, specifically Ethernet and communication via PLC to PLC, which is normally also an Ethernet style cable. DBs have to be installed, so you have to know your basics from residential, which you're gonna have to apply over here. Basic DB topology, three-phase RCDs instead of these single-phase ones you see in residential. You'll see a lot of cable trays, large motors. You'll see DC systems. You'll see DC systems and their DC motors. Backup systems are also found in industry, so you need to know how the backup system works, right? It could be a generator tied to a PV system and stuff like that. Either way, if you're the industrial or the Sparky there, you'll probably either have to know how it exactly works if it has a fault, because you wouldn't want to be phoning other people if your backup supply is not working correctly, right? So you have to know that as well. And I would say that industrial, if I just give it my own take, right, is so complex. Soft starters, dozers, crushers, right, belt conveyor system, all this, and then you have to add that residential base and you'll be good. So like I say, that's why they normally pay industrial quite well, straight off the bat, consistently well.